what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I am Bryn, and so there's no air vent in the back seat, you know. Today we are coming up with a solution to solve that problem. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure you already are subscribed. So like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Nice cold air. What is my foot? Oh, it's one of our TV trays. Well, kind of a TV tray. So, when we go on road trips, you know, you don't always want to stop for McDonald's and have to go in to eat. So we have these trays, and it's very helpful because my brother drops stuff all the time, chocolate chips and all that stuff, and it just gets on the tray. Okay, back to let's get air to the back seat project. Let's do it. Oh, nice cold air.
Okay, so what ideas do you have there, Bryn?
Okay, I have one idea.
All right, what is it?
A few ideas.
Okay, what?
My first one, what if we make a cardboard tunnel that comes from here to the back seat?
Okay, but cardboard gets
wet.
wet.
What if, I know you were going to say wet, so
Right.
I came up with another idea.
Okay,
What if we use a wood tunnel?
Okay. How would you attach it over here so that it blows back?
I have an idea. We can use hot glue, of course. Just go hot glue, hot glue, hot glue, hot glue.
Okay, that's a good idea. But I do want it removable so I can take it loose when you guys aren't in here with me.
Hot glue's removable.
Yeah, kind of, but
You have to pull very hard. What if we use Velcro? If we put Velcro on the edges, and then we put it on the little pipe, we can stick it on there, and we can get air.
and then you just like pull it loose?
Yep.
Okay. I would rather have something that's not going to like change the truck or leave a sticky residue or something.
What if we use a circle little pipe?
Okay.
And then we can, since you don't like any other of my ideas,
No, I said they're good ideas.
we can get like a, I don't know, maybe a metal stick that comes up from here, and then we can grab a mask, you know, a COVID-19 mask,
Okay.
and then grab it off of somebody's face. No, I'm just kidding. Nobody's getting harmed in this video. But we can cut a hole in the middle of it and then put the strings in the air vent.
Okay.
That way, and then also just hot glue the mask to the edges of the pipe. That way you can just go prick and
Take it off. Okay, well, let's go shopping and see what we can find.
okay, good thing I can go through the camera. Whoa! Whoa, that was cool. Man, Bryn, where are we? We're at Home Depot. Yes!
If you didn't notice already, we got new merch, well, prototype merch that we got from our friend Noah, which, Noah, if you're watching this, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
This merch is amazing. And guys, if you super duper really want merch, then comment down below and put hashtag merch in the comments if you really want merch. And we just hit 100 subscribers, so thank you to all of the people that subscribed. Maybe, Dad, we can use this pipe?
Yep, that's a little bit long.
I mean, like, we could cut it down.
And it's
True,
too
true, true.
skinny,
Yeah,
guys.
we would have to use like 6 of those things.
Wait, I have an idea. What about this pipe?
Yep, that's an idea too.
Dad, I found the perfect solution.
come here.
Okay.
We can get this and like cut it down and pull it to the back seat.
Bryce, that's not even for sale.
Yeah, Bryce, that's a water hose.
Yeah, why is it not for sale?
It's not for sale, but good idea.
Yeah, this thing stretches out. It's hollow in the middle.
No, what are you doing, Bryn? Bryn, what are you doing?
Oh, just going to the bathroom.
Bryn, no.
No, just testing it out.
Just testing it out. Okay. Let me see if you look better with this filter. Oh yeah, that's a good filter.
Excuse me? Oh, wait. Now I need to take a shower.
Hey, we're supposed to be.
Don't look.
Come-
Wait, I needed to wash my hands. Turn it on. I can't reach it. Thank you. Oh, it's. Why does no sink work in this place?
I am Robbie the robot.
Yes, that's the perfect solution.
What?
It's still a little.
robot?
It's still a little stiff, but they may have a better option here.
Ooh, like that.
Yeah, like those.
Let's get one. Guys, we think we've got a solution for it, but we're still going to look around, so hopefully this might be the solution.
Cool.
Pump up wind back.
Hey, like you, Dad.
Watch it. Pipes, okay. What's in there?
Bryn, come here. Come here. I found a cage for you. Come on, get in.
Watch it, buddy.
I thought you were looking at the pet kennel.
Oh.
That's a cage for Bryn.
Watch it, mister.
That's not how that's used.
What is this even?
It has a cutting wheel on it.
Drill it in though.
Yeah, an impact driver.
Come here, I want to do a magic trick.
What?
Lay right here.
No, I'm just kidding. Why would you do that to me? Okay guys, so we're back from Home Depot. As you saw, we bought this awesome dryer vent. This was kind of what I was wanting, like a little miniature pipe, and this is awesome, the perfect size. And we already kind of got it hooked up here with a clothespin right here, there, as you can see. But
So what is this for?
that's for like when we use it in the back.
So like you guys are pulling on it here, it doesn't move the front half.
Yeah, it doesn't move. Also, we got some tape here. I highly recommend tape. If you put tape on it, it'll just like not scratch you. I guess let's find a way to hook it up. All right, guys, so obvious problem. The dryer vent is circle. The air conditioning vent is rectangle. Luckily with my strong dad, highly recommend doing this, pushing the metal and forming it of the shape of your air conditioner vent. So, we also found some little zip ties here, as you can see.
What are those for?
We're thinking on putting some rubber bands or ponytail holders in there. Either or. We're gonna see which one works. The mask idea kind of went to. The good thing that we are doing, like we figured out something, just like
Yeah. Squish it up.
squish, 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 squish.
Okay, then we hook the two ends there. Oh, you got it? Okay, yep.
Here.
Now look, this just hangs right here, out of the way.
Guys, I'm hoping
So that goes up.
or thinking like we can put a ponytail holder over there and there, and then just like
Clip
hook
it
it
in.
in there somehow, and then just like put it there. That way it's just like there. And then let me test it.
And that's nothing permanent. So yeah, I think that'll be a good idea. Let's get to, let's see if we can.
I can feel air.
Okay, good.
Do you guys feel the air? Please say yes. All right, guys. So as you can see, we got the top one right there with our little metal tool. It says hi.
All right, work on the bottom one there.
Okay. So basically what we're doing is, so we decided to get ponytail holders.
All right, got that one too.
Perfect.
Hey, it's time to
Now-
see if this thing works, huh?
Yep.
So I'm hoping that the,
Perfect.
hold on, wait. So we set it in there. So that zip tie goes in the bottom one, right?
Okay, good.
All right, let's see if that zip tie
Perfect,
that'll hold
perfect.
it. Now is it gonna stay in
Oh,
place?
gosh.
Hey, it
Oh my
stayed.
gosh, it actually worked.
All right, so
Let me check.
is it blowing cold air?
It's blowing cold air.
Perfect.
Yes! Guys, like and subscribe and click the notification bell because it actually works. If you do it right, it'll work.